Enough episodes of Yik Yak. It's time for us to take action on the tech house. I'm tearing up the joint. What?
Hold on, buddy. You gotta see this.
Oh no.
It could be worse.
What's worse than asbestos? It's in the exterior walls, the laundry sink, and maybe one of the fireplaces? What does maybe mean? Then we've got the lead in the bathroom tiles, including in the brand new ensuite, not to mention the rodent droppings that we already saw in the attic and in the crawl space. Well, I guess there's nothing to do but get started. With some help from our sponsor, Roborock, and I gotta give them credit. Not every company would want to deal with a mess like the one we're putting this into. But they approached the challenge with gusto, sending over their new Saros 20, powered by Starsight 2.0, which integrates 3D time-of-flight sensors and an RGB camera for fast, accurate mapping, millimeter-precise positioning, and advanced obstacle detection, which should be a major help as it navigates the challenges of our crawl space under the house. Quick thing, guys, should I be hauling the big stuff out of here before we put the Roborock to work? I don't think it's gonna be able to pick this up.
Probably.
Okay.
While Linus is clearing out the crawl space, the rest of us are gonna get started on the garage here. The shelves are not in terrible shape, but we can do better.
Well, this thing's nasty. This goes straight out sideways. There we go. Oh. Ah. So the fact that this is here implies that there's a plug here. I don't see a plug here.
There we go.
I'm in too deep, boys. Well, this is interesting. My extension cord terminates into some hot glue and into some armor here, which has another cable coming out of it that is frickin' scary. That just goes into another extension cord. Oh my God. The box is just open. Oh no. There's so much down here. This one's really coming apart.
Oh man. Yeah.
I think that may have been past its useful life.
All right, good luck, little buddy. I can't wait to show the boys my treasures. How do I look? Camera ready?
Camera ready, exactly.
As you guys know, I was down in the crawl space for a little while, but you'll be pleased to know that I brought treasures. One drumstick.
Yo, I used to play drums.
One hockey puck. I can't tell if this is a book, maybe a cassette tape holder. Jordan, I'd like you to have a great day. Let's see, which one of you gets the ring? You know what, Pancrats? Would you want to see my favorite? It's really great.
Oh, we got more. We just take these down. Got some fresh ones.
My favorite. It's really great. If you were having trouble not laughing at that, this might help you.
I can't resist.
While our wonderful team has decades of combined experience destroying things, we are not trained or certified to deal with hazardous materials like the ones found in our report. So we're going to be bringing in pros to deal with those problem areas. But that doesn't mean that we can't do anything. As long as we're not disturbing the areas that are flagged in the survey, we can still get started tearing this place apart. With that out of the way, it's time to tackle some of the flooring that's actually supposed to be in here. The carpeting that's in the living room and the dining room. And then while we're at this, I think we'll send Team B to Team 1. We've got Team A and Team 1.
Yeah.
We'll send Team 1 over to do the bedroom. All right, well, this is easy.
How do you want to do this? We'll probably just have to cut down the middle.
Seems to be working.
I'm sure I'm doing this wrong. Thank you for your comments, YouTube. Jordan, I think episode 4 is gonna have to be building the workshop.
It might be, yeah.
We're not gonna be able to do anything else until we equip the garage.
God.
Is blue carpet in fashion these days?
I think so.
On that note, by the way, we did see all of your comments that you don't want to see this place turn into just like the dankest of gamer dens, and we're way ahead of you. Our profile of Guy is that he either is in a relationship or has aspirations to be in a relationship someday. So while we do want to make this place an absolute gamer haven, we also recognize that partner approval factor is extremely important. Let's just get this the hell out of here.
All right, you're good.
Think you could chill harder?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so? Let's see it. Is he even mic'd?
No. Okay, bendy.
Pivot. Pivot.
That feels like progress, right?
Need you like a pillow or a blanket or something?
I'm
You
good, but it feels good to lie down.
You were just lying down in the crawl space for the last like 3 hours.
I was not lying down there, sir. Your trail cam saw everything. Look how many freaking staples they put in this thing.
How far are we taking this? Are we going like right to the studs, or are we gonna go part way? Like, what do we got to replace?
Well, that really depends. I mean, when we did our initial consult with some of the ladies at the office, one of the first things that they brought up was, well, where am I gonna put my full-length mirror? And I was like, I never would have thought of that in 1,000 years.
Right.
So before we make any kind of structural changes to the interior walls, we A, need to consult an engineer, and B, need to consult someone who has thoughts about a house layout. In the meantime, I can pull up some more carpet.
Pull some more carpet for now.
Okay. Ew, they put carpet on the wall. I never noticed that. That's f***ed up. Oh good, they put the trim on over top of this carpet.
No way, did they?
Trim is probably gonna go anyway.
You want to pull a chandelier out?
We can. We'll have to hit the breaker, which means we won't have the light from the chandelier.
This one don't have a ladder.
Oh. Oh yeah, we really need to start making a list of what needs to be in the workshop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's,
That might be the next video after
yeah.
all. We may have to film a couple more at the same time.
Oh yeah.
Now, Mr. Linus, why don't you use the tool for the job?
Oh. I literally just picked it up to get it out of my way. Listen, I wasn't doing this before.
There's a drawing on the floor.
Out of the fireplace.
This was the plan for the fireplace. I'd say they executed it quite well.
They're missing the windows.
Oh yeah, where are the windows? So real talk, when the demolition guys come in, they're doing obviously all the asbestos walls, but are they also just gonna like demo everything?
That's the idea. My thinking is we should go down to studs, because then we have easy access for all of our electrical we have to upgrade.
But there is a lot of drywall on these walls that is also perfectly fine, because there's gonna be some rooms that we're probably gonna barely touch.
We're gonna run like network and electrical probably everywhere.
You're not gonna need much to like the living room, for instance.
I mean, they're tearing it anyway, because that's all exterior walls. But maybe we can get away with just doing exterior stuff. But like
This wall
I think can go.
can go,
I think you could push your kitchen in a little further.
but then your dining room has no room.
No one uses a dining room. What happens in your dining room?
Let us know in the comments, guys. I think people do use their dining room occasionally.
Do we want them to pull the floors then, though? And
If we can salvage these, I'd like to keep them. The linoleum obviously is gonna go. All carpet, all linoleum goes, but this vinyl plank, let's see if we can
it's
salvage
relatively
it.
new.
It's pretty new.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm gonna make a hole in the wall. think we'll put an AP probably here. This is gonna be nice and central. Our servers are gonna be likely in this room or in this closet here. A little bit undecided, but we can just go up and over the ceiling, wire right to here. But I think this will be kind of our central one, and then we'll fill in as we need later on.
We don't know if we're gonna end up changing the layout of the kitchen. This is a very old school layout and has next to nothing in terms of usable counter space. So with that in mind, I think we should take the cabinets off in a non-destructive way, but I don't think these cabinets are going back in here. I want a water dispenser in the new fridge.
Definitely.
It's already plumbed in there.
Oh wow, there's plumbing for it even. Oh wow, this fridge leaked at some point.
We're getting rid of it?
I mean, I'm on the fence. It seems perfectly cromulent.
No,
but...
get rid of it. Get a wolf in here.
What?
Get something fancy.
I feel like Guy is pretty pragmatic though, Reese. I don't think he'd get rid of a perfectly working stove like this.
I don't know. I'm a Guy. I get rid of it.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the garage. I love how progress can look like. Roborock asked nicely for us to show their vapor flow stick vacuum that also does steaming and stuff. Let's have a look at how that basement one's doing. Wow, it's actually mapped it. Oh wow, it made this. We didn't upload this?
Yeah, that's just from now.
Oh, that's sick. You know what? This is actually really useful. Come here for a second. Okay, here it is. Flashback to earlier when I found that weird armored cable thing downstairs, right? This tells me exactly where to look for it. Right here. So that's coming from the basement and it goes to, well, where the devil does that go? The fountain. It powers the fountain. So that's why the fountain doesn't work. It wasn't plugged into anything. Yes, that's the only reason. Now that we're getting to the end of the day, I think it's time to have a look at how our RoboPal is doing down in the crawl space. Oh, yeah, it's got a lot of work to do still, but it's definitely better. Keep it up, buddy. The Saros 20 utilizes Roborock's DurTech and SmartPlan technologies, enabling it to plan the most efficient cleaning path and adapt to unexpected obstacles and surface conditions instead of just blindly wandering around and bumping into things. And with AdaptiLift 3.0 and FlexiArm and an overall height of just 7.98 centimeters, the Saros 20 can access and clean spaces that traditional robots might miss. Check out everything Roborock has to offer at the link down below. We're getting to the end of the day here, so I think we're gonna have to call it, but we got a pretty good start on tearing this place apart, and we'll leave the hazardous materials like the asbestos and the lead to the pros who are gonna come in and finish up. Once that's done, we're gonna come in and start working on stuff. There's so much.